It's wig time! Hey everyone, it is Jazz here. I am a content creator, writer and cosplayer, and today we are styling Boa's wig. I got this one from Wiggers Fashion. I have gotten a few wigs from there and have never been disappointed so far. They're just really good quality wigs, especially like the lace front ones. My Harlequin wig is from there. My Merlin wig was also from there, and so is this one. Now I bought this one a few weeks ago now, and I still haven't got to it yet, but we are now. But I bought this one, tried it on, and actually fell in love with it, so I ordered a second one so that I could wear it in public and normally and not have to worry about it being styled for a cosplay or anything like that. So yeah, I bought a second one, but this is the cosplay wig for today. We will unbox her and show you. I also got a little extra wig cap with this guy as well. It's literally so perfect. All we need to do is basically style in the bangs a little bit, so there's not a lot to do with this one, which is a nice little change up for once. Now, I did already open this up as I mentioned before, so it wasn't in the beautiful little pink bags that they come in, which I absolutely love. Another little aspect of quality with these guys. Get this stuffing out of here. But look at this glorious mane of hair. Oh, she's so beautiful. So yeah, as you can tell, it's definitely long enough to be Boa's hair, and again, I'm just going to be cutting in the front a little bit, and we've got to trim this lace off as well. Typically, I would do this on my little mannequin stand, which is not in this room at the moment because we have made a little cosplay workshop out of our garage, so everything's basically in there now. But yes, so usually I would style them on the stand and then like put them on and off and things like that. But since it's just the bangs and I do want them to sort of suit with my face as well, we're going to do it on my head today. So I'm just going to pop this up and whack a wig cap on, and then we will get into it. And ta-da! We have the wig on. I am just going to start with trimming this lace front because it is like really long, and I will probably just speed this up for you guys because I am going to be looking at the mirror as well, just so you don't have to deal with this. But can we just take a moment to look at how stunning this wig is? She's so fine. Oh, okay. Okay. So now that that is all trimmed up and you like pretty much can't even see that, I know I really should be trimming around the ears just because they are a little bit oversized for my little baby ears. On this one as well, you can obviously see that pretty much immediately. But because of her, oh, that's on my nose. Oh, ew, ew. Ah. But because of her style with the front, I'm gonna see if I can leave it because I love how full it is and I don't really want to take too much of that away from it. So let's get into cutting and styling. So firstly, I'm just gonna go in with this kind of more wider toothed comb just to smooth it all out and make sure there aren't any knots for cutting. Alrighty. I'll pop up a little picture of Boa's hair just so you can see. And I'm also going to look at my reference picture. Alrighty, here we go. We have the front section. Now hers like comes to about her chin area. Depending on which photos you look at, it's kind of all, yeah, sort of around here. I'm going to start a little bit lower just to ease myself into it because you can take off more, but you can't put more back on after you've taken it off. You can take away, but you can't add back. That's what I was trying to say. Alrighty. Cool. Got two skizzers with me today. I have these little thinning ones, which I don't even feel like we're probably gonna need. And then I have these little bad boys. Okay. Alright. She's actually not looking too shabby. That's pretty good. Bit long, but it's pretty good. It's a good start. And to the other side. Alright, let's comb them out and see what we've got to work with now. I actually may need to do some thinning depending. Oh, she's cute. She's got a little bob happening. Oh, there we go. That's much shorter, much better. Okay, and she's shorter now, which is kind of cute. I'm really vibing. Wow. I feel like I got into the wrong career. Straight lines. What? And we're back with the legendary got to be glued. Sprayed a little spritzy bits on here and then combing backwards. Comby. Wow, that actually works pretty well, eh? Comby. Bam. Isn't she fine? Look at this sexy face. I look like I have an egghead. So, I've done it backwards. And now we find my part again. Is that the part? That's the part. And we bring it forwards. And I can feel this has actually moved. Oh, because I didn't pin it in place, people. This is why you should pin your... Actually stick your wigs down. Oh, it's all good though. We got it. Let me just tug you a little bit more, love. Okay. And yeah, look at that volume. Instantaneous volume. Okay, she's looking so cute. But I think we need some thinning. Just around the bottoms a little bit. Yes, that's what we're talking about. That is nice. And voila, we have our bangs in the front, giving very boa energy, I believe. And I am just gonna leave it free flowing because I feel like that is looking more natural, it's looking more real, and that is definitely the energy I'm going for this cosplay. So yeah, I'm pretty thrilled with this actually. It's looking really good. You'll be able to see more of Boa very soon when I post the full cosplay update as well, or if I've already posted it, I will link it for you guys too. Alrighty, thanks for coming along for this quick little wig styling session, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest of Boa. Alrighty, I will catch you all next time. Alright, bye!